good morning. It's Friday. It is 8:20 in the morning. I've woken up here in Hurricane, Utah. So after 1 week on the road, I took a day just to rest and recuperate here in Hurricane yesterday, which was great. Gave me a chance to do some laundry and rest up. And so this morning, I'm really excited. Today I'm doing Zion National Park, and I've had a number of people really highly recommend it, rave about it. Pulled over here at a historical marker, and really interesting. It says Hurricane Mesa, which is just to the left here. It says it's the home of the rocket sled test track. And it says it's the country's only privately owned supersonic test track.
Listen to the wind blow, watch the sun rise. Run in the shadows, damn your love, damn your lies. And if you don't love me now, you will never.
Morning. I do, yeah.
So,
Yeah, you too.
Break the chain, and if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear you saying you will never break the chain, never break the chain. Listen to the wind blow, down comes the night. Run in the shadows, damn your love, damn your lies. Break the silence, damn the dark, damn the light. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear you saying you would never break the chain. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear wants to find us again. I can't fight you anymore. It's you I'm fighting for. She throws rocks together, but time leaves us polished.